Let us try and understand something about the heart sounds. That is the sounds which we try to hear with the use of a stethoscope. Now these sounds, which are generally identified as lub and dup, they indicate the functioning of different valves in the heart. Lub sound indicates closure of the atrioventricular valves, that is tricuspid and bicuspid valves, and this happens just before the ventricular systole, that is just before the ventricular contraction, while the dup sound indicates closure of the semilunar valves, that is aortic and systemic valves. That is the dup sound. It is heard just at the end of ventricular systole, that is just before the ventricle starts relaxing or just before the ventricular diastole begins. Now from lub to dup, if you consider, there is a span of about 0.3 seconds, that is the span required for ventricular systole to complete. Whereas from dup back to lub, if you consider, that's a span of 0.5 seconds. This is how the two main sounds are normally heard. Rarely there could be an additional sound. Generally that third sound is called as a murmuring sound. Now murmuring sound can at times be benign, that indicates improper functioning of the valves, but not serious one. There could be a little escaping of blood through the valves. But sometimes it could be serious, that is the valves fail to close and the blood may flow back from ventricles into the atria, and that may result into a serious situation.